Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizo.com. Guys, sometimes to be a father doesn't mean to be a father to your children only, as what Mr. Bengu did to Naledi Aphiwe. Mr. Bengu was the high school teacher of Naledi Aphiwe. He's the one who contributed on Naledi Aphiwe to fly high by posting the video of Naledi singing in the class. He posted that clip on his social media account until that voice of Naledi touches Chris Brown. Then Chris Brown uses that voice to shoot his song. Now Naledi is flying too high because of what Mr. Bengu did, and also Chris Brown. Guys, we need fathers like them to the world. And Naledi should never stop on what Mr. Bengu did. She also made Mr. Bengu to be proud by helping her. He keep on pushing. I thank you. Go high, baby girl. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it.